Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can set WhatsApp business auto reply message. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is first of all open the application. So after doing that, here you can see the option of tools right here. All you have to do is simply tap on tools. But if you can't find the tools option right here, then you'll need to get to the settings. And then from here you can see the option of business tools. If you tap on it, we'll get back to the tools page just like this, and in here you can see the option of greeting message. All you have to do is tap on greeting message. You can see this toggle button is currently off. All you have to do is tap on this toggle button and then enable your greeting message. Here you can also see the option of recipients. Tap on it. Currently you can see everyone is selected. You can either exclude any of your contact, or you can select everyone except particular person, or you can only send to a particular person by simply tapping on these options. So when you're done, you can now go back, and in here you can see the option of messages. Currently the default message is given, so if you want to edit it, you'll have to now tap on this message and you can simply edit it however you want. So after editing it, all you have to do is tap on the save option right here and you are all done. Now you have successfully set WhatsApp business auto reply message. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.